So in order to create a checkerboard background, we need to create a square image first. So go to File, New. So now I'm going to change the width here to 500 and the height to 500. It is in pixels. DPI is 72, and now click on Create. So here it is. And now I need to add horizontal and vertical guide. So now go to View and then left click on Add Guides. And now I'm going to change here from pixels to %. And then I'm going to type here 50 and then 50 for vertical. And then press OK. So now I'm going to make a selection. Select the rectangle select. So if you go to View, Snap to, make sure the guides here is checked. And now I'm going to make selection here. So here, as you can see, it snaps to the guides. So here it is. Now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon. And now I'm going to fill this selection with the color. So if you want a checkerboard, just use the black color on the foreground. So I'm going to left click. So I want it to look like a transparent background here. So I'm going to use this light gray here. CF, CF, CF is the HTML notation. Press OK. And now make sure you're selecting pen bucket tool and now left click. So here it is. So let's, for example, make it lighter. So here, press OK, and now left click. So here it is. And now go to Select, Deselect. And now I'm going to duplicate the gray layer. Right click, duplicate it. Select the Move tool, and now I'm going to move it down like this. And now I'm going to remove the guides here. So go to View, Clear Guides. And now I'm going to merge all these layers. So right click, merge down, and then right click, merge down. And now go to Edit, Define New, and then select Pattern. So this will define our image here as a pattern. Left click. So here it is, pattern added. And now, for example, if I right click on the layer, select Blending Options, and then go down to Pattern Overlay, left click here on the pattern. You will find the pattern we created here. So here it is, New Project, left click. So here it is. And now I'm just going to reduce the scale. So here it is. So you can also, for example, change the angle here, blend mode, opacity, or offset X, offset Y. It will move it from left to right or top to bottom. Press OK. So now, for example, let's say I'm going to create a new image. Go to File, New. I'm going to select this one here, 1920 by 1080. And now same thing, right click, Blending Options. Select Pattern Overlay. So here it is, and I'm just going to increase the scale. So I'm going to bring the offset X to 0 and then the angle to 0. Press Enter. So here it is. And then press OK.